Hello guys, Rising Pips here. The last time we released a strategy of 2 moving averages where you can use easily to identify the W and M patterns on your MT5 binary volatilities, boom or crash or Forex. Okay, you can use them easily. So if you haven't watched that video, please, there is a link in the description, or look at the pinned message and you are going to see that video on how you can use 2 simple moving averages to easily dictate the M and W formations on your charts. With that said, today we would like to release a video on how you can trade the W and M patterns. Actually, you can trade all the W and the M patterns, but tutorials on that is going to take a lot of time now. So I want us to concentrate on the best M and W patterns that you can trade with confidence. As you look at the chart, you have seen 2 yellows that are marking 2 areas of my chart, and as you can see, there is an M formation over here. It's coming down from here, came here, went up and came right down, and this is a perfect M formation to trade and make a lot of money. But how can you know that this M formation is actually a good M formation for you to trade? Possibly before you realize that this is an M formation, the second M leg could have been turning down this way before you realize. So possibly it's at this juncture that you realize that, oh, this trade could be an M formation. But if you are so critical, you are pretty good at identifying the M formations with practice and time, you can just watch from here and know that the trend is going to reverse, and you do your own chart like this and you know that it's coming down. But even with that, we can see a lot of M patterns over here. There was a little M over here, there's a small M over here. Why didn't I locate that for us to trade? No, you still realize that it went back up. All right, so now the reason, let me tell you one of the reasons why I think in Forex they use the M and the W patterns. I think sometimes it's used to manipulate, okay, sometimes, not all the times. All right, because let's take for instance, if the price action could be coming from here and it reaches here, begins to write a W, begins to write a W, someone would think, wow, this is a W, the trade is going up. All of a sudden, boom, it comes down. You see, wow, what happens to this W? What happens to this W? Actually, it has now written an M. Let me change the color and do the M. All right, now it has now written what? An M. And so no matter what way, whether it's a W or an M, the pattern has been formed. Okay, so you cannot say you have been manipulated. All right, and so for that matter, we can't just trade every W and M, because any M can become a W and any W can become an M. So today we put these 2 yellow lines to indicate the levels of the M on the M15 chart. Now, before you will be very sure of this M pattern or W pattern to trade, the first secret is that you must make sure that this very pattern is forming on 2 other time frames. So this is M15 time frame that we are watching this M pattern. Let's go to the 30 minutes time frame, and you realize that on the 30 minutes time frame, this is the time frame is 30 minutes over there. On the 30 minutes time frame, in the same region where we have the yellow line, there is an M forming over there also. So this has given you a confirmation that this is going to be an M pattern. Let me make it bigger. I'm trying to zoom out a bit so that you can see. All right, so this is M30. Well, the first one was on M15. This is M30. M30 is also giving us this same M pattern. All right, so if you wanted to trade this like the same reversal point, and then now the trade has went from here and then it's now coming here. At this point you can see that, whoa, it's still going to go down. At this location there was a support over here, so it's retraced. Okay, it's retraced before the market retraced from this support level before it came back and broke it. All right, okay, so you realize that as you see this M formation on M30, let's go to the 1 hour time frame and see what is going on. Wow, on the 1 hour time frame too, there is this same M pattern formation. All right, let me zoom in a bit. Let me zoom out. Yeah, zoom out. This M pattern in the same 2 yellow lines that we have identified the M pattern on M15. So this is H1 time frame, and then we can still see the M pattern over here. All right, so now this should give you confidence that since the pattern has formed on M15, M30 and H1, surely it's a sure pattern to trade. This is where you have your confidence, right? Just use this for the W pattern too, and then you also be able to see this clearly. And one other thing that you can see is that before this pattern occurs over here, the general trend direction was what's going down. So that is a top to down analysis. You have seen from H1 that the trend is going down, and then you realize on M15 that there's an M pattern, the same M pattern on M30, and that same pattern on H1. That should give you a sure go ahead that this trade is going down, and you confidently pick that trade. Thank you for watching. If you have any comments, if you have learned anything new, please let us know under the comment section. This is Rising Pips FX. We are dedicated to bring you things that people sell, things that people hide. All right, we want to give it to you for free so that you can profit in this market. All the best and have a great time. Please subscribe, share and like, and as we get more subscribers, we'll begin to release more free things. Thank you once again. Bye.